Hello everyone, welcome to our second Dev Diary as we continue our progress towards developing the AR augmentation of the Sucker Rod Pump PMM test bench. Our end goal is to visualize live operational data of this test bench in AR, and we made significant progress here in this scene. We have the AR camera pointed at the model target of the test bench, where we can now display static and dynamic text. Let's go ahead and demo this setup. As we watch the demo start up, consider the importance of the dynamic text you're about to see through the AR camera. Dynamic text is going to be important because it's going to be the way that we're going to visualize live operational data of this test bench in AR, which is the end goal of our project. See you in Dev Diary 3.